Coming to you, coming to you, remix. Hey everybody, CK here, and I'm coming to you with another video. Hey, coming to you with another video. I'm super duper excited, per the usual. You guys, it's been forever and a day since I've done a tutorial, and I got some new makeup, so I want to use the new makeup. It's springtime, so I want to do a spring makeup tutorial. I'm thinking it's springish. It's colors, and I'll show you a little glimpse, okay? I got this, and I showed it on Snapchat to you guys, but I got this package from MAC. And Patrick Starr has done another collaboration with MAC. It's called Play With Me, and it's an eyeshadow quad. That is what she looks like right here. And can you guess which color I'm going to play with on today? I'm actually going to try all of them, but for sure, that blue right here. I'm definitely going to use this pink too, because I played with it a little bit the other night, and I was like, oh my god, it's not as intense as I thought it would be. Very blendable, and it goes really well with the blue, believe it or not. I got to have what I need, girl. You got what I need. But you say she's just a friend, or he's just a friend. Y'all probably don't know that. Okay, oh, and let me fix my shirt. I just want to let y'all know that I am not naked, like boom boom. Boom, boom. Totally wearing clothes. These are three of like my favorite palettes. These palettes I definitely take when I'm doing other people's makeup because they are thebomb.com. And we're going to use them as backup just in case that doesn't work out. Okay? Because y'all know I don't really plan my looks. So I got my customized Makeup Geek palette. Boom, boom. I have the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. Boom, boom. And then I have the Morphe 3502 palette because I like it better than the 35. Oh, as you can see. Look how I beat that thing up right there. That is my brow bone, girl. That I've actually been cheating on Peach Smoothie and Running Late by ColourPop with that. Well, Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie and ColourPop Running Late with this right here. It's called Universal. I'm also going to record 2 videos in one in this sitting because I've been telling you guys that I wanted to do a video on my new baking routine. But I know, I told you guys that I did not bake. I told you guys I didn't like to bake because my under eye situation is not like, you know, it's sometimes it doesn't play fair. But girl, I got a new technique. I am going to put a base on first before I go into this palette. And this is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL. And it is in the shade M20. And it is a royal blue base. Now, I've used this before. I love this product. And you can actually rock this as an eyeshadow by itself. But on today, we are using it as a base. Because I want that blue to kind of pop. You know what I'm saying? But these eyebrows, girl, they on point today, huh? Got a little flicky flicky. It's on flicky flick. No, I'm just kidding. It's on fleek today. And I start off slow. Like, I don't put a whole bunch at first. I'm trying to get it right under that crease. Right under that crease, girl. And I have a bunch of lipsticks. And I need to do a lip swatch video with Mini-Me. I told her already, I was like, get in order, get your schedule together, girl. We need to do a lip swatch video. So just use your finger and make sure that that is blended out properly. Just so you guys know, bases do not have to be perfect, okay? I just need it so that it makes this color pop. And before I went on top of this base, I did use a concealer. I used the Makeup Revolution in C13. I have been using that a lot lately. Like, I think that is one of my holy grails now. And it's only $7. And I have a video all about it. I will put it up here or somewhere on the screen. We're going to start off with this palette. If you only knew. If only you knew what just happened. But I'm going to use this quad right here. And I'm going to go into this shade first. And I'm not sure if the true color is coming off on camera. Because it is like a transition color. But on camera, it's not looking like that. It's looking really pink. You know what I mean? But you see what I'm saying? Like, I think the colors in this palette are actually deeper than what they appear to be. Because doesn't that look all light? It does not look like it would be a transition shade. But girl, it's getting me all the way right. You see this? Do you see this? Do you see? Like, I could dig it. And I'm going to get a little bold, y'all. And I'm going to go into that pink, too. I am going to go in this transition shade. Dear Lord, I can only get it right if I sing it. Is that what's going on today? That is really, really gorgeous. So, what you do unto one, you do unto the other. Yes, they did really good with this whole color scheme. So I'm going to take a little bit of that pink. Oh, girl. I like you. You done all right, Mac and Patrick. Because low-key, I thought this was going to have me looking like 80s, you know? Because this whole color palette right here, it totally makes me think of the 80s. But it's coming off really good. That's Bombay. Y'all don't know nothing about that. And now, we're going to go into that blue. Now, it gave it just a little pop, but literally, I could have kept that base from the Makeup Forever. It's almost like a shimmer, but not quite. I may bring that blue on down, girl. I think I'm gonna. You better. Let's see. Now let's go into that Morphe palette, into that Universo 3502. Do you just see all kinds of life that it's giving me right there? Oh, and I'm going to be trying some new hair today. New hair, new eyeshadow. So after you get that on, just blend that out, like blend it together. Now I'm going to blend these together with this eyeshadow right here. Now I'm going to take some black eyeliner from MAC. It just adds a little depth. Alright, so we got the Coco Mishas, girl. Let's see. Oh, Coco. I think Misha did it, girl. I just need to dry real good, but we are going to go on with the primer. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. Now, if you guys see me veer this way a little bit, it's because my mirror is over there, and I'm trying not to get it in the camera. You see what I'm saying? This eyeshadow is banging. Oh, when you guys do makeup, once you get the eyes on, and this is what I tell my clients all the time, once you get the eyes on, just like if you think the eyes are popping now, when you get this makeup popping and you get like everything, the foundation, and get that concealer popping, ooh, life is great. So I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay concealer, the All Nighter concealer. This one is in Dark Warm, and I got stuck with this color right here as a corrector, and I love the fact that it stays wherever I put it. This should still be good because I just washed it, so it should still be damp enough for me. Either way, I'm not getting up. So I'm about to use my Urban Decay foundation. This is in 9.75, and if you don't know, I'm generous with foundation. I usually mix this with my Clinique or even my Becca, but last time I mixed it with the Becca, I don't know if I really cared for the mixture, and I'm all out of my Clinique. Yeah, life is great. It's good enough. You know I'm gonna make it work. I could stop there with foundation, but in CK fashion, just a little bit more. I don't have nowhere to go right now, right? It's evening time, but I think when I'm done, hubby gonna be like, come on, bro. Stay away from the brows. Stay away from the brows. This is why I love this freaking foundation. Do you see the flawlessness? So this part for this video, I'm going to skip real quick, and I'm going to start the other video about my new under eye concealer, baking / all that good stuff routine. Now, we are back to the other video, all right? And I am going to use my BH Cosmetics powder. If you guys do not know, this powder is the truth. This is probably my third powder. Third or fourth, I don't even know. I started using it in 2013, and I just keep buying it because it's just really good. After I baked under the eye, I am setting everything in place. I really need to get some more MAC Fix Plus, because MAC Fix Plus, what it does, which I'll probably use Pixie in place of it, but what it does is when you have like that cakey look just a little bit, it will settle in. Your foundation will settle in after a few hours. But if you want it to settle in right away, like say you're going somewhere, you're about to take some pictures right away, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to look all cakey. You don't want to wait a couple of hours or even an hour. You can just do a little spray, a little mist, and have everything kind of come together. Ooh, flawlessness. Okay, so for the contour, what I am going to use is this Morphe Bronzer. Girl, I love that name. Like bronzer contour, get it? And the name of it is Showman's. And this is the shade I'm going to use. I think I used this in another video, and I love it. It is perfect for me. And I'm using my Sedona FB05 brush, I think. It is the only brush that I use for contour because it gets me all the way right, and I love it. And I don't know why I don't have like 50 billion. So I'm just going to contour, bring some dimension back in my face. This one is, girl, now we talking business, girl. Now we talking business. Ooh, I love it. Because you know my cheekbones are already high, so I don't need that chisel look. You understand what I'm saying? I just need a little definition. But if you don't know, I have a video on highlighting and contouring, but if you don't know how to contour properly, just fishy face. And please don't ever bring it all the way to your mouth, okay? And don't just do like straight down. I don't like that. I'll take it and I'll kind of curve up. That's why I blend and place at the same time, to make sure that it's kind of curving up and just, you know, following the shape of my face. For the blush, I don't really know what I'm gonna do, you guys. Now, we have this powder by Patrick Star and MAC. It's called Take Me Home. And it says Powder Blush Duo. That's what we're working with right there. Now, I would use this color, but hold on though, because Morphe came out with the palette. Warm Master 8W. And look it. I almost want to go with this one right here, even though it's coming out real pink on the screen, but it gives me a little bit of warmth in person. So I think I'm going to go with her. And you guys, just for the record, I don't like a lot of blush because my cheeks are already like plaqué. So I just don't need a whole lot of blush on them. And that's just a preference. And I got these like banging eyes today. So I'm definitely like staying low key for sure. See? Oh, that's just it. Okay. Okay. So now this right here, I went to an event with Becca. And they tried this on, and which I showed you guys in my last video, and I just can't put it down. Matter of fact, Morphe has a whole, let me show you this real quick. I don't know how long this video is going to be, and I'm not trying to make it forever. But Morphe sent me a box of goodies. And in this box of goodies, it has like highlighters, it has more blush palettes, it has like, it just has a whole bunch of stuff in it. So if you guys just want to see a video on this, you guys just let me know. But I also have something from LA Girl too. Let me show you. There we go. It is some illuminating powder and some, it looks like some illuminating liquid as well. But I'm not going to use that today. And honestly, I am really a fan of powder highlighters. I'm just going to go in with this chocolate geode, girl. Tell me. I just want to bathe in her. Chocolate geode. You are my homegirl. I think she made it. I'm just, okay, I gotta, somebody stop me. But I feel like this color right here, you cannot overdo it. And it is like personalized. You see CK on there? Oh, it's so cute. So next, I don't know what lipstick I'm gonna use. They did send a lipstick in a collection that they sent me by MAC. And this lipstick is called Hey Boy Hey. And I will swatch it. And it does match that shadow. It really does. But I'm not doing, well, I don't know if I'm doing that or not. I'm going to show you that Makeup Shayla lipstick and we're going to see what we're going to do. Now, this is the Shayla times ColourPop. Like, okay, Shayla, okay. I don't know, girl. It's called Perception. Now, the shadow palette, I'm not going to pop out. I just really want to use the lipstick. This is called Neat Freak. Girl, that's my kind of lipstick. Oh, it's a gloss. Let's see what we're working with. Now, this lipstick is called Quickie. Okay, this shade, I may do that. I may do that. Look at that. It's like a nude. This color is called, come on, sis. Come on, sis. Come on, sis. I like Come On, Sis, too. I think I want to go with Come On, Sis. And I will probably go on with her glitter. Okay, so now, remember I told you guys that I have new hair, too? Look at this hair. Do y'all see her? Oh, girl. Most of the wigs that I have, they have like a part in them. I'm going to rock it like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of the information on this wig in the description box. I believe it's by MSBuy.com, but I don't want to misquote it, so I'll put everything in the description box below. I'm going to get Mini-Me. She is going to help me cut this baby, and I will come back with the final look. This is the final look, you guys. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I told you that I was going to share it. And the hair, you guys, this is, oh my God, like I don't want to cut her. I don't want to do anything. I do need to get used to this whole lace situation. I think I need to do something with the baby hair and kind of razor it a little bit, but this is so me, and I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of your support. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. You guys have an awesome, blessed day, and I will see you sooner than you think. Bye.
Key beauty, confidence is key. You know what I mean. A woman feels good when she's looking pretty. I don't need no Benz, Lexus, or a Range Rover. Just give your girl a bomb, CK Beauty makeover.